Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how I would annotate this story, and just to give you guys a little bit more help. If you have any questions even after watching this video, please let me know, but this is just going to be a very quick video explaining how I would work through this text if I were doing it. First thing I always look at is the setting a purpose for reading. So it says, as you read, underline the details you learn about Arachne's qualities. It also says, as you read the myth, take notes in the My Notes section on any similarities you notice between this myth and Phaethon. So we're looking for two things, Arachne's qualities and similarities between this myth and the myth we read yesterday or the day before, and finding similarities between those two things. So first of all, the word qualities could mean a lot of things. So I'm going to add a sticky note. I'm going to say, what are qualities? And I'm just going to brainstorm, like, what are some things that are considered qualities? This can be your personality. This can be how you look. This can be, what else? Think about what else a quality is. Things you are good at, / your talents, things like that. So when we're looking for qualities, that's the kind of stuff we need to be looking for. Okay, so let's look at the first couple of paragraphs. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to read the paragraph. And then we will go back and annotate. I'm just going to do the first paragraph with you guys, and then I'm going to let you guys do the rest of it. So first I'll read it. Arachne was a maiden who became famous throughout Greece, though she was neither well-born nor beautiful and came from no great city. She lived in an obscure little village, and her father was a humble dyer of wool. In this he was very skillful, producing many varied shades, while above all he was famous for the clear, bright scarlet, which is made from shellfish, and which was the most glorious of all the colors used in ancient Greece. Even more skillful than her father was Arachne. It was her task to spin the fleecy wool into a fine, soft thread, and to weave it into cloth on the high-standing loom within the cottage. Arachne was small and pale from much working. Her eyes were light, and her hair was a dusty brown. Yet she was quick and graceful, and her fingers, roughened as they were, went so fast that it was hard to follow their flickering movements. So soft and even was her thread, so fine her cloth, so gorgeous her embroidery, that soon her products were known all over Greece. No one had ever seen the like of them before. So we get a lot of her qualities. It says she was neither well-born nor beautiful, so she's just a normal person. I'm going to make this orange. And what else? She was neither well-born nor beautiful. What else? Let's see. Even more skillful. She was incredibly skillful. We get that. Arachne was small and pale from much working. Her eyes were light, and her hair was a dusty brown. Yet she was quick and graceful, so we're getting a lot of really good qualities here. And I'm making all of them orange just to be consistent. So gorgeous her embroidery. So she's very talented. And that's what I added here under this sticky note, is she was incredibly skilled at weaving thread. Her look was simple, but she was very talented. So that's my comment there. So that's what you're going to do for the rest of the story. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll be here on, just send me a message on Canvas. Alright, bye. Bye guys.